I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking the DNS that blocks ads and trackers. Confirm your phone runs Android 8 or newer. If not, install a DNS over HTTPS app. Once chosen, note the IP4/IP6 addresses or service profile ID. Open Settings and search Network and Internet, then tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS provider hostname and type the provider's hostname exactly. This first step switches your phone from ISP DNS to an ad-blocking resolver, which is the foundation for blocking most in-app and browser ads. Next, you'll finalize the configuration and verify it works. If you use Settings, enter the provider hostname and save. Android applies DNS system-wide. If you prefer an app, install AdGuard or NextDNS, follow the provider setup, and accept the VPN permission so DNS flows through the blocker. Make sure to enable filters or profiles inside the app. Those determine which ad domains are filtered. Once done, clear app caches and reopen apps. You should see fewer or no ads when the DNS blocks domain requests. Finish by cleaning up and handling common issues. Reboot your phone to ensure the new DNS propagates to all apps. If a VPN or ISP app forces its DNS, temporarily disable it so the ad-blocking resolver can take effect. If some ads still appear, flush DNS in Chrome by visiting Chrome/netinternals/#DNS or toggle airplane mode briefly. Finally, switch to an alternate ad-blocking DNS if a few problematic domains remain. Different providers maintain different block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.